Can't do a single pull-up yet? You're not alone. But in this video, I'll show you how to build raw pulling power, step by step, from zero. Let's go. Pull-ups are one of the ultimate tests of back, arm, and grip strength. They work your lats, biceps, traps, core. Basically, your upper body pulling engine. If you can master them, you unlock bodyweight strength few ever do. Before you try the full move, you've got to reinforce your back, grip, and core. Here's what to start with. Dead hang holds. Hang from the bar, shoulders relaxed, grip tight, work up to 20-30 seconds. Scapular pull-ups. From dead hang, slightly contract shoulders downward, without bending elbows, to engage your scapula and mid-back. Australian inverted rows. Use a low bar or suspension setup. Pull your chest to the bar, body straight. Great mid-level pull strength. Once you've got the basics, move to assisted versions. Resistance band pull-ups. Wrap a band around the bar and under your feet. Knee. It helps you push upward while still working the movement. Negative pull-ups. Jump or step up so your chin is over the bar, then lower yourself slowly, 4 or 6 seconds, until arms fully extended. Chair, box assist. Use a bench or box to give your legs a little help while you pull with your arms and back. Once you can do 5-8 good negatives and assisted sets, it's time to try full pull-ups. Grip the bar slightly wider than shoulder width. Think, pull your chest to the bar. Drive elbows down and back. Lower slowly and fully lock out. Perform 1 to 3 reps as clean as possible, even if that's all you can do at first. Programming and progress strategy. Here's how to build consistency. Do pull-up work 2 to 3 times per week. In each session include 2 to 4 sets of negatives, plus assistance. When you can do 3 to 5 full reps, add volume or weight slowly. Mix in dead hangs or scapular holds to improve grip and endurance. Look, every pro was once at zero. Every pull-up you bank is proof you're getting stronger. Don't rush. Consistency, control, and patience are your secret weapons. If you try this and hit your first pull-up, drop it in the comments. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the pull-up mastery plan. Let's build strength together. Feed your fitness.